In a new report, Karen Clark and Company identified the U.S. hurricanes that would likely cause $10 billion or more in insured losses if they were to happen today. The firm examined nearly 180 hurricanes that have hit the U.S. since 1900. 28 would have topped $10 billion in losses today, thanks to the number and cost of buildings that would now be in harm's way. Topping the list, the 1926 Great Miami Hurricane with an estimated $125 billion in losses, followed by the 1928 Okeechobee Hurricane, the Galveston Storm of 1900, and two Florida storms, the Fort Lauderdale Hurricane in '47 and Hurricane Andrew in 1992.